Welcome to this detailed tutorial on using the WordPress code block. In this session you will learn how to log into WordPress, navigate through the site editor, and insert and save your custom code within a code block. We begin by directing you to open your preferred web browser and go to the main WordPress page. Once you have landed on the WordPress homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and locate the login option in the top right corner of the screen. After identifying the login button, go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a login interface where you are presented with several options for signing in. One of these options is to continue with Google. Using this method simplifies the login process, so select the option labeled continue with Google and proceed to choose the Google account you wish to use. This secure and streamlined method allows you to bypass manual credential entry, making it both comfortable and efficient. After completing the login process, you will be redirected to your dashboard where you will notice a section called Quick Links. Within this section, a link labeled Edit Site awaits your attention. Clicking on Edit Site takes you to the site editor where you can make changes to the design, layout, and content appearance of your website. This environment is specifically designed to give you control over your site's presentation, and we will be focusing on how to use the code block feature within this editor. Once you are inside the site editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface. Here you will see a plus icon. Click on this icon to initiate the process of adding new blocks to your site layout. The plus icon is a universal signal in many site editors that represents adding or inserting new elements, and in this case it allows you to insert a code block. With the interface prompting you to add a new block, you will begin by typing the word code in the search bar that appears after clicking the plus icon. Typing code helps to filter the available options so that you can quickly locate the code block feature. After entering the search term, a selection of relevant blocks appears, and you should choose the block simply labeled code. This option is designed specifically for entering your custom code. When you select the code option, a new code block is added to your page. Now you are ready to add your own HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other types of code that you want to embed within your website. Carefully paste or type the code into the newly created code block, ensuring that all syntax is correct and formatted properly. This area is specifically intended for technical users who wish to integrate custom code into their site design. After entering your code, remember to locate the Save option within the interface and click on it to store your changes permanently. Saving your modifications ensures they will reflect on your live site and be accessible to visitors. This concludes the process of using the WordPress code block. By following these steps in sequence, you have successfully logged into WordPress, navigated to the site editor, inserted a code block, and saved your custom code for later use. Enjoy the enhanced functionality and creative flexibility that comes with adding custom code to your WordPress website.